Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to announce time on Macbook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Whether you're working, browsing the web, or playing a game on your Mac, time can easily get away from you. One neat feature of macOS is that you can have time announced to you. This is a helpful reminder of the time that you can configure how to often you hear it and what voice speaks to you. So how to enable this feature? It's so simple. You can just open your system preferences on your MacBook. Now you can click on dock and menu bar. You can just scroll down until you find there is an option clock. You can just click on that. And in here, there is an option announce time. You can checklist on it. You can choose if you want to your Mac announce the time on the hour, on the half hour, or on the quarter hour. For example, we just choose on the hour. And in here, you can also customize the voice. By default, it's using the system voice and it hurts like this.
Most people recognize me by my voice.
Or you can just change to another voice that you like the Australian English or English India, Ireland. There's so much voice that you can choose. Maybe you prefer Australian, you can just choose between Karen or Lee,
Hello, my name is Lee. I am an.
or you can just choose Moira.
Hello, my name is Moira. I am an Irish English voice.
Hello, my name is Daniel.
For example, I will just choose on Alex.
Most people recognize.
Now you can custom the volume. After that, you can custom the rate. You want to hear it slow or normal or fast. We just choose on fast. Now you can just click on OK. So now, every 1 hour, your MacBook will announce the time for you. So simple, right? So that is how to announce time on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.